Hello everyone, it's Douglas C. Welch from A Gardener's Notebook, and today we're going to get, again, a little something from nothing. Well, as often happens, we sometimes let things go a little too long, much as I have with this 3D printed propagator. So let's take these three different plants out of here and see which ones have actually rooted. Okay, so let's take these out here and see. You can see got plenty of roots on something there. So first one, let's pull out the arborvitae here. Let's see if we can. And anything on the arborvitae, not a darn thing, although it hasn't yet died yet either, so well, maybe we'll put them back in. Next, we're going to take out this unknown shrub that I picked up at a friend's house. Let's see, and again, not a darn thing. Well, as I expected when I first checked this, I thought it was the mums, and sure enough, all these roots are coming from these two chrysanthemum cuttings. These are mini mums. So we'll go ahead and see how we can kind of gently tease them out of here. Again, probably if I had waited a little less time, although the roots are looking really healthy, if I'd waited a little less time, it wouldn't be so hard to get it out. I was a little worried with this propagator about damaging them, but I see, gosh, I lost like one root. So that actually worked a lot better than I thought it would. Well, since these got so well rooted, let's get them in a pot and get them growing on. So I think we'll put both of them in this bigger pot. They tend to like to grow together like that and throw off multiple shoots. So we'll do that. And look, I mean, look at that. That's just amazing root growth on there. Some plants take better from rooting in water. Some plants take better from rooting in soil. So we'll probably try these other two plants in some soil next to see maybe if that'll help them take off a little bit. But there we go. Two new plants, a little something for nothing in the garden today, and we'll start growing them on. By the way, if you'd like one of these 3D printed propagators, you can get your own on Thingiverse. I'll try to put a link in the comments.